friend of yours also was like Smita Patil, right? She also married the wrong guy or whatever. That relationship also didn't work, right? What happened? Why did she have to get married to Raj Babbar? He was already a married man. What happens?
Well, in our industry, as I said, you meet very limited people. You don't get out. And I just said this to you a little while ago, that you don't get to be exposed to normal people. Unfortunately, the people you get exposed to either are such fans, they'll think of you as unapproachable.
Like a goddess.
Or they think ये फिल्म वाले तो ऐसे ही होते हैं, or they have such a bad opinion about film people as if they are characterless, idiotic people. So the two extremes, one, they're so fascinated by you and they think you're beyond reach, and others who look down upon film people as being some kind of, and I have from personal experience seen that all the heroines whom I've seen married have been such amazing housewives. They've been such good homemakers, all of them.
No, what I meant was like, you see today's actresses, they would never so-called marry a married man. But when you were a leading lady, imagine the thinking actresses like Shabana Azmi or Smita Patil, both married men. Hema Malini married a married man. So many I could think of from the top of my head.
I can think of 5 more.
Jai Prada, like they know what they are signing up for.
But that is what my point was. In those days, everybody was doing 2 shifts, 3 shifts. And there wasn't, I think, a system of dating, going out, meeting normal people from different professions or different things. So there you go on the first shoot, you're shooting with X person. You go on the next shift, again he's there. Yeah. You're on outdoor for 20 days. And they are all nice people. You're talking to them, you're sharing your life problems with them, and slowly it becomes friendship. Friendship becomes attraction or whatever. So I think lack of opportunities elsewhere to meet new people, to meet things was in those days. Today's girls go out all the time. They are meeting people, they are going and, interacting with a whole lot of people. The whole scenario has changed today. And today the people are going on apps and finding people, right? So in our time, it was only whom you met and whom you could interact with.
And there was no, like our actresses have their time out. They'll go to the gym, they'll go take their vacations. You'll see them ki wo vacation ki pictures le rahi and all. But in your generation, it was like work, multiple shifts.
Because we were doing 12 films at a time.
Yeah.
I was a heroine who did least amount of film. Baki to 20-22 karte the. I would do only, I said no, not more than 12. I thought I was being extremely, ke saal mein 12 films karungi, that's it. But today they are doing 1 film at a time. So they know, अच्छा March में ही shoot खत्म होगा, June, July I have my own time. February, March, April के बाद मैं इस time पे ये July में शुरू करूँगी फिर. So there's a system has changed. The working style has changed, and because of that they are able to do time management of their own. Take vacations, whether it's the top stars. Today, all the actors, the heroes, all take vacations, they go out. For us, at that time, it was, I'm on an outdoor shoot, I'm shooting till the 19th, okay, I'll stay 2 days extra and, maybe see a little bit of, say, Maldives or Switzerland or wherever you were shooting. Ke chalo thoda sa, ya Kashmir. I remember in those days, I used to go to Kashmir maybe 4 times in every summer, 5 times, because all films that time were shot in Kashmir. It was my such a desire to go to Vaishno Devi, right? I'd say udhar se Jammu, itni flights bhi nahi thi, those days.
Correct.
So, udhar se jaake, Jammu, Katra se jaake karenge. Every year I used to plan I will go, and I used to get that one day to get off and go to, because कभी shooting late हो गई, आज बारिश हो गई, आज धूप नहीं थी, तो we have to extend shooting. I said, I had planned I will go, I'll do this, वो रह गया. So years after years I was not able to do it.
Wow.
So, that was the tightness of our schedules.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.